There we just got done with the Netflix film Run, Rabbit, Run from 2023. It's a thriller that is 1 hour and 40 minutes long. It's TV mature audiences, and it's in this unsettling psychological thriller. A divorced mother becomes increasingly alarmed by her young daughter's strange behavior. I thought this movie was okay. I would give it, I'd give it a 3 out of 5, just based on the story and the performances. I thought those two things were really great. The speed of the movie, though, was kind of slow. There were a lot of very, very, very slow scenes. But I did like the story. I did like the performances. I did like the casting. It definitely was suspenseful enough for me to sit for 1 hour and 40 minutes to find out what the hell was going to be the ending. And I was okay with the ending. Lisa wasn't a fan of the ending, I don't think.
It was a 2 for me. Save your time. Don't watch it.
I think it's pretty decent for like a thriller suspense style movie. I surprisingly was able to guess what the whole thing was boiled down to within the first few scenes, and they give little hints and and I guess I just pieced those things together enough that I was able to figure out exactly kind of where they were going with it. But yeah, I'd say it's worth a one watch through for sure. I wouldn't watch it again, but for a one and done, yeah, I'd say it's worth it. Let me know if you've seen Run, Rabbit, Run. And if you haven't, I'll link the trailer below. Let me know if you usually like thrillers. I'm a big fan of thriller and suspense movies. I think they're a lot of fun, especially when they have to do with psychological stuff, then it really gets interesting. But let me know your thoughts on that style of movie, and I will see you in the next one.